Moving to a new home is exciting, but can be a little overwhelming, especially when you've got pets in the mix. They feel the stress too, but don't worry, we've got 5 simple tips to help make your move smoother and keep your furry friends happy along the way. First, prepare your pet ahead of time. Start getting them used to moving supplies like boxes and crates early on. And don't forget that vet checkup. It's also a good time to update their microchip info just in case. Next, pack a pet essentials bag. You'll want easy access to their food, water, toys, medications, and bedding. Think of it as their travel kit for the big day. On moving day, keep your pet safe. Set up a quiet room away from the chaos, or consider boarding them for the day. And if they're traveling with you, make sure their crate is cozy with something familiar, like a favorite blanket. When you arrive, help them adjust by introducing one room at a time. Set up a little safe space with their bed, toys, and water bowl. This will give them a sense of familiarity while they explore their new surroundings. And finally, stick to their routine. Regular feeding, playtime, and walks will help them settle into their new home quickly. Plus, a little extra love and attention go a long way. Moving with pets doesn't have to be stressful. It's all about planning ahead and making them feel comfortable. And hey, if you need a little extra space while you settle in, we can help. Visit www.arcosstorage.com for clean, safe, and secure self-storage solutions. Because at Arcos Storage, we make moving easier for you and your pets.